sheriff's blushing bride, or I will tan your royal hide.
No!
Yes!
No!
Yes!
He's mean and cruel, and furthermore, his face is like a cellar door.
No!
Yes!
No!
Yes!
When she and I are wed, I think I'll chain her to the kitchen sink. Yes!
No!
Yes!
No!
Well, just for that, I'll organize a tournament, and you're the prize. Now I am sure to win her hand, for I'm the champion of the land.
Your best will do a bit of good, for I'm in love with Robin Hood.
Robin Hood! Robin Hood! Robin Hood!
Start, start!
To the tower she must go, she must go, she must go. To the tower she must go, or marry the sheriff, or marry the sheriff. To the tower she must go, she must go, she must go. To the tower she must go, or marry the sheriff. Marry the sheriff.
Can I take it?
Yes, Robin Hood.
Never touch me!
Ready! Aim! Fire!
We can fool the sheriff and save the princess. Princess, but how can we fool the sheriff and save the princess? Princess.
Look!
Now we can fool the sheriff and save the princess. Princess. Now we can fool the sheriff and save the princess. Princess.
Holly G! The boyfriend! Holly G! Someone! Holly G! On the
Imposter!
Imposter! Imposter?
Imposter Fazul!
button! 'em! 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 'em
Thank you.